So guys, I cut my locks after watching a tutorial from Damian Walter. Hey everyone, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you guys with me as I cut my locks for the very first time. I need to do this. I have not done this since the very beginning of my lock journey, and I think that the last time I actually cut or trimmed my hair was when I was loose natural, and that was years ago. I have been locked for 3 years now, and I just feel like I need to kind of, you know, do a little maintenance with my hair because of a number of factors. Number one, when I wash my hair or even manipulate my hair on top of the sink, when I'm doing my hair on top of my white sink, I see little hairs, and when I wash my hair, I see these small hairs as well. And so that leads me to believe that my hair could possibly be breaking at the ends. And as you know, the ends are very, very, very important because those are pretty much, that's like the oldest part of your hair, where you started your locks and maybe where you were loose natural and you dealt with other issues. So I just feel like it's just prime time to cut off the ends, to trim them, and to start off fresh, you know, as the year comes to a close, to kind of chop off the things that are not necessary and allow for new growth to happen. Now there is another reason why I have not trimmed my hair yet, and it is because of my fear of scissors. Like, since I went to the hairdresser years ago, I went to a hair salon and I went in for a trim, and I left with an actual like cut, like inches of my hair cut. So after that, I've been really like fearful of scissors, cutting my hair, or even allowing other professionals to cut my hair. And so that's why I'm pretty much like a DIY queen. I do everything myself because I'm a control freak. Today I'm going to conquer my fear and just go ahead and trim the ends and give myself, you know, kind of like a little bit of a cut, because my locks are all different lengths, and that's okay, you know, it's all right. But for me, I just want a more manicured kind of shape, and just to take what's not necessary and just make sure that my hair is in optimal health, because long hair is not everything. You know, sometimes long hair could be long damaged hair. It's more important for you to maintain healthy hair rather than just long scraggly hair. So I'm going to watch I'm going to watch Damian Walter's, okay, because I found a video of his that I find will be helpful, and he does it a certain way. So I'm going to follow his technique in cutting my locks to make sure that I'm doing it the right way and I'm not like finishing off with like a choppy look. I don't want a choppy look. I want it to look professional, like Damian Walters did my hair. Alright, so let's check out his video. It is on YouTube, and it is an old video, but I find that it is a really good video. It's a really nice kind of visual guide to help me because I'm pretty much a beginner at this. So here it is, trimming your locks.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is my timer. After getting her maintenance under the dryer, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to heat it a little bit at the ends of the dryer, just making sure that these are...
Okay, so I'm not using a dryer. I'm not using a dryer. I air dried, or I washed my hair already, and it's like 80% dry. So I'm just going to fast forward past this and get to where he's going to do her hair.
And then we're going to do just a little trim. I want to show you guys pretty much how to cut my things on top. That will cut very just blunt straight across the bottom. And that actually causes weight up here at the top where you cut it that heavy, leaving most of that weight down here. So what I always suggest is part it out, take about 3/4 of the top of it, and pull it up forward, leaving from ear to ear, leaving those locks down. Now that is where you're going to establish your length. Pull them out, make sure I comb them straight through all the way out so they'll be very even to me. Hold them at the end and just go straight up with the cut. I'm not taking off too much, I'm just trimming the ends, and you see how that has now become even. But once I let it down, it goes into a natural layer. It'll make a smooth, even cut. And we're going to just go straight up with the cut, just cutting off those ends.
That's so much hair.
So my next step is going from mid-base, which is going to start my second set of layers. Now take these out, just making sure I have a uniform part here.
Okay, so he's doing it in layers. He's not like cutting everything together. Okay.
90-degree cut, in which you're just taking the hair, going straight up at a 90-degree angle.
90-degree angle.
So then I'll give you a little education real fast. Yeah.
So that part goes up.
Let it go. It's called straight in.
Okay.
And not till where I say cutting or anything. It just goes straight into a natural flow.
I kind of like a bob, like a blunt cut. Actually, I do like that. But my hair's so layered that it would have to be cut like this in order, like all over, for it to be one whole length. So the top goes all the way up, the sides goes that way. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm ready. I have 2 banana clips that I want to use. I want to make sure that this towel stays like wrapped all the way around because it keeps like messing around me. So I'm going to use my hair tie and just tie that up right there. Okay, so he started from the back and I would do the same thing because I do that with everything anyway. So I'm going to start from the back too. Don't judge me, guys. I am not a professional. I am doing this at home like many of you guys do as well. Clip both of those pieces up there. And so what he did with the back was just like let it lean flat. So I'm going to make sure that my head is positioned proper, right? Instead of like this, just like this. And kind of run my hair, my hands down. And this is what, no, a little less because I'm not trying to cut all my hair, you know what I'm saying? This is hard. Right, there we go, like this. So I'm going to use this. All right, so I'm going to cut just the top of that. Eee, oh my gosh, my girls. Oh, wow. And there we go. Okay, so now back on this side, I'm smoothing down my hair. This would be so much easier if I had, you know, a stylist to look at me from behind. But that's what you guys are here for, right? And let it hit like this. Dude. Ah! Oh, my cute little curls. There we go. That's what it looks like. And it's still the same. It's like the same length. It's just I'm missing the straggly ends. It's okay. All right. But the ends feel good. Like when I pull them, they feel good. They feel like they should. So if you can see the difference between the uncut hair and the cut hair, the uncut locks and the cut locks, the ends look completely different. Okay, all done. So I'm gonna take this off and show you guys what we're working with. First of all, let me show you what my rug looks like right now. Yep, I cut my locks. So I have one piece here. I just thought it would be kind of fun to kind of pull it apart. I don't know, things that you think of when you cut your hair. Pretty difficult to get this out, but as you can see, this is my texture. All right, I'm about to throw this in the garbage now. Okay, so let's just kind of check out what my hair looks like now against my white shirt. And there you go, it still looks great. The ends are so much more healthy. So now when I do my hair, I don't have to worry about, you know, the loose ends kind of snagging or dropping into the sink. And my hair, yeah, gave myself a little bit of a haircut, and I think it still looks great. It was just a little bit of a haircut, guys. Just calm down, calm down. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job? Maybe you guys shouldn't comment. So this is my hair, and I am feeling a little sentimental because these are my curly ends. Even though somehow I still have curly ends anyway, I don't know, I feel some kind of way about this. Can't be so attached to things like hair. Let's try this thing in a ponytail. Ooh, okay. We got a more blunt looking ponytail, I guess. I love that feeling at the ends there, like kind of, it's not blunt, but it feels more like unified. Whew. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Later, guys. Bye.